Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Murano key fob. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Look for a small slot on the side of the key fob casing. Gently insert the screwdriver into this slot and twist it slightly to begin prying the two halves apart. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once you've created a small opening, you can often work your way around the edge with the screwdriver or your fingers to fully separate the two halves. Inside, you'll see the circuit board and the battery. Take a moment to observe how the old CR2032 battery is positioned, noting which side is facing up. Then, use your screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Now it's time to install the new battery. Take your fresh CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment with the positive side, which usually has the plus sign, facing down. Make sure it's seated firmly and correctly in its holder. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob, ensuring all the buttons and components are properly positioned. Gently press the two halves of the key fob back together until you hear them click securely into place. You might need to apply a little pressure around the edges to ensure a tight seal. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to confirm they are working correctly. This simple battery replacement can save you time and money. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.